Deep in the heart of England's Lake District lies two of the country's most challenging and breathtaking mountain roads, Wrynose Pass and Hardknott Pass. Today, we're taking along for the ride, a journey through history, rugged beauty and some of the steepest gradients you'll ever see on 4 or 2 wheels. Our adventure starts in Little Langdale, climbing west towards Wrynose Pass. The road quickly narrows, the tarmac twisting and turning, through the fells, no guardrails, just you and the mountain. Wrynose Pass reaches about 393 metres, that's nearly 1300 feet, and its name comes from Old Norse, Ryers, meaning the name Wrynose is believed to mean Pass of the Stallion, reflecting the steepness of the route that historically requires strong horses to navigate. A fitting name for a road that feels wild and untamed. These roads have a long and fascinating history. They trace routes used since Roman times. In fact, the Romans built a fort at the top of Hardknott Pass. From up here, they could guard the trade routes through the mountains. After conquering Wrynose, we pass on towards Hardknott Pass, often called Britain's steepest road. The gradient hits an incredible 33% in places, that's 1 in 3. They need confidence, good brakes and nerves of steel, but it's worth every tense moment. Views from the top are some of the best in the entire Lake District, stretching towards Eskdale and the Irish Sea beyond. There's something special about this landscape. Ancient, raw and timeless. Whether you're a driver, a hiker or a drone pilot, this is a place that tests your limits and rewards your courage. From the north ridges of Wrynose to the Roman heights of Hardknott, this journey through the Lake District is one I'll never forget. If you ever come here, take it slow, respect the road and enjoy every breathtaking turn. Thanks for watching. If you've enjoyed this trip through England's wildest mountain passes, don't forget to like, subscribe and check out for more adventures filmed with the Air 3S and the Insta360 X5. See ya on the next journey. Keep hovering and keep discovering.